All right, guys, so today we're going to be dividing using partial quotients or the box method. That's where we're going to try to use our base 10s to try to get as close as we can using our divisor to get as close as we can to the dividend. So we're going to be dividing 1,701 divided by 21. So I'm going to write my divisor, which is 21, and I'm going to write the box, or draw the box, and inside the box I'm thinking that I have to get 1,701. Okay, so now we're going to use partial quotients to try to get as close as we can to that number. So 12 is going to be on the outside. I want to get as close as I can to this number. First, I'm going to try 10. I know to multiply any number by 10, I'm just going to add a 0 to the outside. Oops, not 12. It's 21. Let me erase that really quick. Okay. So 10 is going to be my partial, so I'm going to put it on top. I'm going to multiply 10 times 21, which is 210. And I'm going to subtract it from my dividend. So 1, this is a 6, this is a 10, so now that's 9. And then, so I now have 1,491. So clearly multiplying 21 by 10 didn't get me as close as I wanted. So now I'm going to kind of push that to, I'm going to do 21. I have to get as close as I can to 1,491. I'm going to put 50 up here. And then I know if I were to multiply 21 times 5, it's going to give me 105. And then I'm just going to add my 0. So 21 times 50 is 1,050. So now I'm going to subtract. I get 4, and then, so that actually got me really like a lot less. So I'm going to do, I know 10 won't give me enough because that's only going to give me 210. And 50 is too much because I only need to get 441. So now I'm going to do 21. And I'm going to do 20. I'm going to choose to multiply 21 times 20. I bring over my leftovers from the other box. So 21 times 20 is 420. I'm going to subtract it, see what I get left over. Well, I get 21 left over. So I know how many times can 21 go into 21? Well, it goes in 1 time, and then I have nothing left over. So now I have to add up all my partial quotients, 10, 50, 20, and then 1, which gives me what? 81. So my answer to this problem is actually 81. Now think about how can I use multiplication to figure out if I was right or not. Well, if I multiply 81 times 21, if I divided correctly using those partials, that answer should give me 1,701, which it does because I did it on my notebook over here.